South African vegetable curry. A main dish from South Africa. Serves 2. You will need 15 ingredients. Step 1. Cut carrots into half-inch thick slices. Cut beans into 1.5-inch pieces. Cut the cauliflower into 1.5-inch florets. Cut pepper and peaches into 1-inch pieces. Step 2. In a 5 to 6 quart pan over medium-high heat, stir oil, onion, ginger, garlic, and cinnamon sticks until onion is limp, 5 to 7 minutes. Add curry powder and turmeric, stir 30 seconds. Step 3. Add broth, cover and carrots, simmer over low heat, cauliflower, bell pepper, peaches, until carrots and cabbage are tender when pierced. Bring to a boil 20 to over 25 high heat. Minutes. Add salt to taste. Step 4. Serve this with brown rice, shredded coconut and chutney. Curry dishes are popular in South Africa. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.